Hello and welcome to the viewers who found my channel for my first ever video. Welcome and congratulations, you've won. Your prize is making me very happy, so thank you. And before we get into the pickups, I just wanted to do a quick explanation as to why I started this channel. The idea is that in 2025, more than ever, you do it, I do it, it's consume, consume, consume. And I wanted to make this channel to hold me accountable to produce a little more and force me to exercise my creative side. So without further ado, let's get into the first pickup, which I'm actually wearing right now, mostly because I haven't taken it off since I purchased this. It's the Bones hoodie by Reservation for One, I think. I love this thing. I'm super thrilled with it. The fit of it is beautiful. It's got a perfect crop. It's warm. The price isn't too bad for something so fashion forward. I absolutely love it and I strongly recommend it. Moving on to item number 2, we're going to keep doing clothes and then after that we'll jump into shoes. Item number 2. You can't see it, but there are these jorts by Handmade Rust. Super cool, super thrashed. You'll see it better in the B-roll, but I've been after these things for so long since I saw them in Jaden Grundy's video. I love the distressing hanging down past the jort because I like wearing shorts and pants, shorts and boots, and I find that that kind of helps bridge the awkward gap of your shin. I can't really recommend them. In my opinion, the quality is not really up to par, and the customer service is atrocious. If you have any issues with your order, it's going to be pulling teeth to get it resolved. That being said, the design is amazing, and would I buy them again? Probably. Let's see what else we got here. Yes. These are Abercrombie sweatpants. Open hem sweatpants. These are the nicest sweatpants I've ever had. And for their price point, they're super quality. I think they're like $70 and they're just amazing. They're amazing. I really struggle finding things that are long enough for me. For reference, I'm 6'5", so it can be difficult. Abercrombie does a long version of all of their sweats, and these things are so long, they're almost too long for me. So it's a really nice breath of fresh air. And if you need some basics, I strongly recommend Abercrombie. I had to go grab this because I didn't set it in my pile of things to show y'all. But this is a little fur hat from a company called Fur Hat World. It's real fur, real leather, and the price for this is really good for being genuine fur and leather. I think I paid like $60. It was on sale, like 10% off, but really cool. I haven't gotten a chance to wear it very much. To be honest, it's just a little bit out of my comfort zone, so still working on that. But let me know in the comments if you think I'm pulling it off here. Last item that is not shoes is DIY, actually. It's this billiards ball wallet chain. I saw basically this exact thing on my Instagram feed, and instead of purchasing it, I thought, hey, I could make that. So I looked to find some billiards ball beads, which they didn't make in a color that I liked, but they did have a mini set that I was able to drill holes through. And then, of course, they had faux pearls. So I just copped all that, put it on some beading wire, and then I have this beautiful creation. I'm absolutely in love with this. Definitely one of my favorite DIYs ever. Pretty easy if you want to give it a shot. Feel free to ask me questions in the comments about it. Shoes. Everybody's favorite item, shoes. Number 1, Birkenstock Bostons. A bit behind the times with this one, but I needed a shoe that was convenient to just slip on. I take a lot of walks throughout the day, and these are great. I love that they go with my wardrobe, and they're just so easy to slip right on, and I still feel fashionable in them. If you need a mule or a slipper of some sort, they're great. This is going to be my favorite item in this whole video. Up next, my new boots. They're absolutely beautiful. These are not Solovair, but they are made by NPS, same company that makes Solovair. So they're basically Solovair. These are actually grip fast. I think, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these have 10 eyelets as opposed to Solovair having 11 or 8. And other differences, the tag is white on the grip fast instead of green like Solovair. And the threading is also white. I purchased these because I had run my docks into the ground. Docks were kind of my first boot, like a lot of y'all. And I wanted to upgrade slightly, and this kind of was the best bang for the buck that I could find that matched the vibe I was going for. I also really like them because they have a steel toe, which makes them just a little boxier or chunkier, which is the meta right now. I'm sure you all know that. So they're kind of like my poor man's Balenci Stompers. They're pretty cool. What else have we got? Yes, more shoes. FiveFingers, Vibram FiveFingers. I don't know why I bought these. I haven't worn them at all. I wanted them for a while, and then they finally went on sale for 50% off. So I did get them for a steal. It's like $70, but I just don't know how to style them. Right now, they're really only good for slipping on my feet and petting my cats. I'll figure it out. Let me know what y'all think about these. The last pickup for the video is another pair of shoes. We've got the Onitsuka Tigers. Really popular shoe right now. I got the yellow Kill Bill version. I got these for Christmas, and they're actually like a half size too big for me, so I also haven't gotten a chance to wear these too much, but I'll make it work maybe with some heel inserts or something, because they're just too cool to not wear. Guys, if you made it to this point in the video, the very end, thank you for staying. It means a lot. And I hope to see you again soon. I want to put out videos pretty regularly, so if you like this, please let me know by liking and maybe even subscribing. You'd be the first person ever, or the second or the third. Look at that number, be the next one. It would be amazing. Thank you guys, and have a good rest of your week. Peace.